Python, if string contains a word from a list or set. I have searched quite thoroughly and have not found a suitable answer. I am new to Python/programming, so I appreciate any advice I can get. I am trying to search user input strings for certain key words. For example, we'll say filtering out profanity. From my research, I have been able to make the following dummy example. Using the above, if the user enters an exact word form the set as their entire string, it will print quit cursing. However, if the user enters curses, or I like to say curse, it will print that sounds great. Ultimately what I need is to be able to search the entire string for a key word, not an exact match of the entire string. X, I went to the park and felt like screaming curses, should return true for a match.
You should read up on the differences between lists and tuples.
Result. Using regular expression. Pattern used is up, \d curse, \w, asterisk.
You can use sets if only you want to check the existence of swear words.